Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW guys, any BMW pretty much. Doesn't matter if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 series BMW guys, X1, X3, X5, 6 or 7 series BMW. You replaced, you had the front end noise rattle, you replaced the sway bar links and you still have front end noise rattle guys. We will explain what can cause that and how to fix it. One of those things is super hidden and we will explain about that. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel guys quick. Now if you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW, check out the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Number 2 guys, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. So let me show you what we have here and what can cause that now. So if you have something like that, you will know guys how to fix it. So as you know, the sway bar link is the #1 reason for the front end noise rattle on your car guys. Okay, I'm talking about this one right here. Let's say you replace it and you still have front end noise rattle. Always guys check, okay, for tire wear as well. Sometimes when you have noise rattle, something may be loose somewhere and that can cause tire wear, like ours. Check it out, the tire is completely worn on the inside, and that guys could be due to bad bushings for the control arms. Okay, they may look different depending on your car. You may have one on the front, one towards the back. Okay, let me focus there quick. Okay, that bushing you can see right there, those could be loose guys. They can have a play and that can develop noise rattle. And also guys, tire wear. Another thing, you have 2 places on the steering device guys that can cause noise and rattle. One is the outer tie rod end, you can develop a play here, the joint can go bad, and one you have on the inside, that it's inner tie rod guys, that you will need to disconnect it here, and you will see if you have play this way, when you pull that thing, you will notice if you have play, then it's inner tie rod, that's bad. Now, another thing that we see quite often on higher mileage vehicles guys, the joints for the control arms where they attach to actually to the front hub guys, that's very common. But what else about another one that nobody almost thinks about guys? Okay, we'll talk about that in just a second. Let me just tell you something else right here, the struts guys. Struts is very common reason for that as well. First, the strut, when it goes bad, it can just rattle and vibrate on the inside, so that can develop a noise. Another thing, on the outside you have a bushing between the spring and the strut that if it's missing, cracked, goes bad, okay, the spring actually can be causing that noise guys coming from the front suspension. And something very common that we see, okay, the strut mounts. People will not replace those very often and that can cause that problem guys. So definitely guys, if you replace front struts, replace the whole kit. The last one that most of you don't think about, the sway bar has extra 2 bushings that hold the sway bar to the subframe. That's what they look like. This is one of them on the driver's side, and it doesn't let the sway bar go up and down, front and back. So if those go bad, what will happen? Actually, that will develop a play. I have one of them taken apart, the one on the passenger side. I can show you what it looks like. This is the bushing. You can see guys, okay, that's what it looks like. And if that bushing is loose, that can cause that actually front end rattle guys as well. So those are the most common ones. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.